Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put GIF in Instagram notes. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow my all steps. First, open your Instagram app. Tap on message icon. Tap on your note. Tap on GIF option, and now search any GIF. Now search smile. Now select any GIF. Tap on share. And finally share put gift on Instagram notes. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.